Whew, it is warm in here today. Let this AC kind of catch up a little bit. How are you? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, well, welcome to the channel. And if you are a subscriber, thank you. I do appreciate that. Today, I thought we'd just check out some things here in the Wisconsin Dells. Let's go. This is awesome.
Hot Dog Avenue. Beauty in one moment, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for patiently waiting. I can go ahead and take your order.
I'll do a #1 Chicago style hot dog combo.
So you just want a dog fry combo, or you want the meat where you get a fry and a drink?
The dog fry drink with a bottled water on the drink.
Okay.
No peppers.
Okay, no sport peppers. Okay.
Correct. Everything else is fine.
Okay. It's gonna be $8.27. I'll see you in the window.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. It is hard to find a true Chicago style hot dog. I mean, you really need to be in the Chicagoland area. Let me show you this. If you are from Chicago or the Chicagoland area, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And, you know, there's a lot of places that sell hot dogs, fast food restaurants and stuff, and they claim they're Chicago style. Believe me, they have nothing on Chicago when it comes to a hot dog. The only thing I didn't get was sports peppers. That was it. I'm not a big fan of those. Really not a big fan of the pickle either. So, I mean, if you want it, keep it for you. But this thing's delicious. So, I went to a place called Hot Dog Avenue here in the Wisconsin Dells. This is a true Chicago style restaurant here. In Wisconsin Dells, you got your tomato, got your celery, salt, onions, relish, mustard. This is delicious. And it's dinner with a view today. Noah's Ark, America's largest water park. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be going there really soon, and I'll be bringing the camera with me. So you'll want to check out this place if you've never been there. Again, it's Noah's Ark. But in the meantime, we're not doing that today. We're eating hot dogs, and we'll talk to people about Noah's Ark and some of the other attractions here in Wisconsin Dells. Don't look, it's not polite to watch when I eat. That is delicious. I went with the water. You know, it's healthier for you instead of pop or soda. Soda pop, wherever you are in the country or in the world, whatever you call it, try to hit it all for you. Although it doesn't matter when you're eating a hot dog, but I like a good old water, I guess. So as I eat, and if you're wondering why you're not seeing a lot of action at Noah's Ark right now, it is the very end of the day. It's almost closing time for them. It's gotta be about 6 o'clock or so. Uh-oh, this is what happens when you don't follow the rules. So keep that in mind. But it's the very end of the day. They're getting ready to close. In fact, I see the lifeguard coming off the water slide over there coming down. So I think they're at the closing time right now. And of course, French fries. You know, I actually usually just call them fries. Never call them French fries. Do you call them French fries? It's called fries usually. Pretty good though. So if you will be coming to Wisconsin Dells anytime soon, Hot Dog Avenue. It's right on the Dells Parkway here, across the street from Noah's Ark. All right, well, that's enough eating. Let's go talk to people in Wisconsin Dells. Good. The problem now that I'm having is I've got that salty taste, and now I want sugar. Speaking of sugar, this place has awesome desserts. Good ice cream. They've got like apple turnovers, just really good stuff. They're in downtown Wisconsin Dells. It's really just a beautiful day out here right now. I'm solo today. Let's see, my daughter is working. My son is on the PS4, and Kelly's back in jail. So yeah, I'm kidding about Kelly. So it's just you and me. Nobody in there right now. Crowds are pretty light for a Tuesday afternoon. I mean, it's about 6:30, 6:40 as I record this. I think a lot of people are just headed out to the restaurants right now as the outdoor water parks are wrapping it up for the day, and people will probably just go eat and do some of the other attractions like go-karting and some of the shows that go on here in town. If you are new to the channel and if you have never heard of Wisconsin Dells, well, they bill themselves as the water park capital of the world. I have a little bit more information about Wisconsin Dells linked in this video. You can almost say that H.H. Bennett is like one of the founding fathers of Wisconsin Dells, a very famous photographer going back to the late 1800s, and just took a lot of pictures of the beauty of Wisconsin Dells. And as those pictures kind of got out, of course before the internet, people just started coming to Wisconsin Dells for the beauty. The Wisconsin Dells police are busy today. Here comes another one racing into town. I had nothing to do with this, I promise. They're not coming because of me. You don't know if my fingers are crossed, though. You can't see me at the moment. Something's going on. Hopefully, whatever it is, everybody will be okay that's involved. I want to check on something first from last year. It's still here. That's not from me. So we got ScottWilcox.com. Looks like he's a songwriter according to his sticker. Not sure who that is or what that is about. Well, you know who that is. So we've got the social media sticker pile up over here on this sign. Whatever is going on, they've got the entire force out. Well, like I said earlier, hopefully everyone involved in that's going to be okay as we walk uptown. Now, if you've done the ducks or if you've watched my channel in the past and you've seen me do the ducks, the amphibious vehicles, the land and water vehicles, one of the duck tour companies has a free pickup, a shuttle duck, here in downtown Wisconsin Dells, and they'll just take you over to the duck dock, I guess is what they call it, where you could jump on one of the ducks that will take you into the Wisconsin River and Lake Delton. The shuttle is free. Really have nothing going on right now. Why don't we jump on a free shuttle duck? When's your next drive over there?
Whenever I want.
All right.
Yeah, for sure.
Care to give a YouTuber a free ride when you go again?
Yeah.
No rush. Do you need more people on this? I could get more people on this.
No, I don't think anyone else will. We're closed for the night. So you were my tour last year.
Oh, you were my duck driver last year?
I was.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Good to see you again.
You too.
So, since we'll get a personal tour, tell me about this big bad beast.
Yeah, for sure. So this is just our tour duck. So this one's actually gas. It's not diesel like the actual tour ones.
Okay.
It's automatic, obviously. It doesn't have the manual features.
Okay, got it.
Basically just a big school bus, but.
Is what it is, yeah. I would imagine it's hard to go into the water
Yeah,
with
yeah.
the permanent stairs over here.
Just for buying one of these? Oh, to ride. Yeah, it's 36, I believe, before tax.
Per person?
Yeah.
Or free if you want to do a shuttle tour right now. Come on, you guys want to do it? It's a free ride around town. It's just a $5 cover charge for the YouTuber, though, before you get on. No, I'm kidding, guys. Ah.
Oh, we're on YouTube?
You're on YouTube.
Hey!
Welcome. So where are you guys from?
Bettendorf, Iowa.
Yeah, Iowa.
Oh, Iowa. Where are you guys staying and do you like it?
The Marriott, it's pretty cool.
Oh, the Marriott. Sure, you can't go wrong with that. It's clean and
Spring Hill.
Spring Hill. Sure. Yeah, you can't go wrong there.
Do you just feel like you own the road driving this thing?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you kind of do. It's huge.
Well, check out what she could do to that car if she doesn't stop. Let me try some of the food here, I'm sure.
Buffalo Bills.
Buffalo Bills.
That place is awesome.
mad would the boss get if we just pulled into the competitor's parking lot?
Probably a little.
Little upset, yeah. The poor duck driver is just gonna go see if there's anybody else that will get on this thing, and she has to go back to town. She's got to bring me back now. So they got this free shuttle duck that I was telling you about, and they'll bring you back to the duck dock here, where you could actually do the ride that will take you into the river in Lake Delton, and then they'll bring you back. But I kind of didn't do that. I just kind of, you know, stole the duck for a little bit. Used it as a free Greyhound. So, did she leave the keys here by chance? No. Maybe it's just this push start. I don't see a key or anything. Uh-huh. See? Here comes another shuttle duck. This person didn't luck out, though. They didn't have a YouTuber like me that's invited part of the town to get on for a free ride. I guess you could call him a lucky duck, because they're probably able to park that one and go home for the night. Whereas I got to make her take me back to town. It's a little bit of a walk here, so we'll just kind of hang out on the empty duck. I actually hope she didn't go home for the night, and I don't think it would be comfortable to sleep on this thing. The restaurant that guy was telling us about, Buffalo Phil's, that he likes a lot, I actually have a review, of course, a video on that channel. It's Buffalo Phil's. You'll find it here on the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss out on this fun stuff. We were just talking about how you drive the same duck all the time.
Yes, that's good.
Now, do you find that these things actually have their own personalities?
Oh, 100%.
Do they?
A
Yeah.
lot of them have little quirks that you have to get used to. So everyone has their favorite duck.
Well, thank you for taking me around town again.
Yeah, for sure.
I appreciate that. A free shuttle duck ride. You can actually do it for free. You don't have to beg or anything like that. They typically just don't drive people around just to drive people around, but she made an exception for us. Check out the original Wisconsin Dells ducks if you come to Wisconsin Dells, because those are great rides. That's an interesting superpower. Mine is I can make traffic stop. I'll show you. That just feels so powerful. It is very difficult to get people to come onto the camera. So many people are YouTube shy. They're very curious, and they'll come up to me and they'll say, "Are you a YouTuber, or are you on TikTok?" And then as soon as I say, "Yeah, and do you want to be on YouTube?" No, and walk away. So I was hoping to get some tourist opinions of the area attractions and the hotels and the restaurants, but I'm just kind of striking out here. And we are slowly losing some daylight here. The sun is starting to go down, and people are just doing their own thing and not wanting to be bothered, or at least go on camera. So, but I do want to show you a few clips of some of the hotels around here that are just really incredible. Chlorine, this is the place to be. Well, I'm back home where I started from. It was fun stealing a duck earlier in the video. Well, maybe hijacking it, I guess. But so if you have any questions about Wisconsin Dells, comment below. I'll definitely get back to you. If you enjoyed travel and attractions and a lot of goofiness in there, well, then I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Love to have you aboard. Lots of fun stuff coming up. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and you will see me on the next one. It's so hard to believe that we are back to school almost. Well, pretty neat, and they do live entertainment 7 nights a week. Except tonight, I guess. I have 10 seconds to get across the street. I love looking at people, especially when they're in their cars here. And sometimes they just see me walking by. Just me and you, but holding a camera here. And they're thinking to themselves, what is he doing? Just love that reaction, that look. You know, at first when I started YouTubing, it took some time to get used to. I was almost hiding myself because people just, they don't know how to react. And I didn't know how to react. It was almost like embarrassing, but now I just love the reactions. I was so worried they wouldn't have the merchandise out in time. Now I could go see the movie. There are so many funny shirts on all the presidents. It is very difficult to get people to come onto camera. It is very difficult to get the people, again, it is very difficult to get people to come onto the camera. So many people are YouTube shy. Well, I am back home where I started from. It was a fun, well, I'm back home where I started from. It was a fun way to, well, I'm back home where I started from.
Subscribe now